Okay, so here I am in AutoCAD and we've got some sort of a shape, and for various reasons I might on my drawing, on my layout, want to look at this face straight on. So there's many ways to do that in AutoCAD, but I'll go over one of them. The reason I chose this one is that's what we do in my class. There's no better or worse. It just depends on what's most useful to you at one time. So I'm going to go over to my layout where I've kind of got it done. And you can see I've got a front view, a right view, a top view. I've got an isometric view, and this blue one here is the shape that I want to look straight at. So I need somehow to get that here. Okay, so that's what I'm going to demonstrate how you can do. Just as a real quick reason for it, I can't get that diameter over here or over here or over here. I could do it here, but not as a diameter, but here, except I've got a piece in front of it right now. Let me get rid of that really quick just so you can see. I can take my diameter. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of all this and show you how to get the straight on view, true shape view, orthographic view, auxiliary view. Those are all different words for the same thing. I want to take a view that's looking straight at this. So we're going to go to our layout tools, and we've already put in our base view and the right and the top and the isometric. And in AutoCAD, the way that I'm going to demonstrate right now is to use the section view. So I'm going to draw myself a line right along that edge and move that out. And then I'm going to make it a little bit longer, just so that I know that I'm going to get my shape in there. That's going to be where I'm going to take my section to look at. So there's layout again, and I'm going to take my section view, and I click on what view I'm going to make the section, and then I click two endpoints. That's why I want that line, and it does have to be parallel. That line has to be parallel to the one I'm working with. And then I'm going to right click and enter. And there it is. It's letting me put it over there. And once I get it in about the right place, I'm going to click, right click, enter. I don't need this. That's how I get my view. Now, some companies want to see this and some companies don't. If they don't, you can't erase it. If I erase it, everything goes away. So I can't erase it. I could put it on a depth points layer, or I can look at the properties of this thing, and I can change this to be like a white color, and or I can give it like a 100% transparency. And then it shows up if you click on it, but you really can't see it otherwise. That line that's left, you can get rid of. You don't need it anymore. That's the section is still there. So that's how you do it. I've taken this view looking straight at it right here, and it is projected properly. You can see that the projection lines go straight out to it, so it is a good proper projection. Okay, there you go. AutoCAD, auxiliary views, true shape views.